Imagine telling a computer what you want to build, and it writes the code, tests it, fixes the bugs, designs the UI, and launches the full app all by itself. Sounds insane, right? But with Google Gemini 3 and their new platform Antigravity, this is no longer science fiction. We have officially entered an era where AI can build technology faster than humans ever could. Today we are diving into Google's newest breakthrough, Gemini 3 plus Antigravity, an AI-powered development environment where agents don't just help you code. They actually plan, build, test, and ship entire applications for you. This might be the biggest leap in software development since the invention of programming itself. Before we understand why this is huge, let's talk about the problems with how we build technology today. Software development is slow. A simple app can take weeks. A complex app can take months, even years. Developers face challenges like writing and rewriting thousands of lines of code, debugging endless errors, switching between editor, browser, terminal, and testing tools, managing documentation, building UI, backend, APIs, databases, and fixing issues that appear during deployment. And this is just one project. Companies lose millions due to delayed development, human bottlenecks, complex testing, and inefficient workflows. Developers spend 50 to 70% of their time not creating, but fixing, testing, rewriting, and managing tools. We've been stuck in this cycle for decades. Until now. Gemini 3 and Antigravity completely break this pattern. So how does this new Antigravity platform actually work? Antigravity is an AI-first development agentic platform built on Google's newest model Gemini 3. Instead of you writing step-by-step instructions, you simply describe what you want, and AI agents handle everything else. Here's what it can do. Plan the entire project. Gemini creates a blueprint, folder structure, files, and development strategy. Write full applications. You type a prompt like, "Build me a flight tracking app." Antigravity generates the UI, backend, database, routes, all of it. It handles the terminal for you. It installs packages, runs servers, executes commands. It tests automatically. It opens a browser, interacts with the UI, verifies behavior, and even records videos of its actions. It fixes its own bugs. If something breaks, the agent identifies the error, rewrites the code, tests again. It refactors and improves existing code bases. You can give it your old project and it modernizes it instantly. Multiple AI agents working together. One handles UI, one handles backend, one handles testing, one handles documentation. You become the architect while AI becomes your entire engineering team. And here's the mind-blowing part. Google showcased an example where a developer asked Antigravity to build a complete productivity app with voice commands, local storage, and reminders. Within minutes, not hours, Antigravity planned the entire app, designed the user interface, generated all the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, created backend logic, added voice input features, tested every button and interaction, recorded the test as a video, fixed every bug it found, and delivered the final, fully working app. This is a level of automation the world has never seen before. This is not a coding assistant. This is AI as a full-stack developer, tester, designer, and QA engineer all in one. So today we explored how Google Gemini 3 and Antigravity are rewriting the rules of software development, eliminating the slow, repetitive parts, and letting developers focus on creativity, strategy, and innovation. This is not just a tool. This is the beginning of a world where software creates software. What do you think about this new era of AI developers? Is it exciting or scary? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm reading all of them. And if you love futuristic tech breakdowns, don't forget to watch my next video on the biggest innovations shaping 2025 and beyond.